Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to play In Front of Me, the Soulful Ballad by Steve Lacy. It's a fantastic song, and let's get started. Okay, just so you know, this is more of an intermediate type chord lesson. It's kind of, there's some finger stretches in here that are difficult, but it can be done. So if you're a beginner and you're up for the challenge, you can do it, and I support you too. Okay, first chord at the 9th fret, I'm barring the B, the G, and the D strings, and I'm reaching with my middle finger to play the 9th fret on the low E string. So I'm muting the A string, and then playing that, and then reaching out with my pinky up to the 11th fret on the high E string. So we're playing all 6 strings, strumming all 6 strings, only the A string is muted. There you go, first chord. Next one's kind of a diminished chord. I'm barring at the 10th fret, the high E, B, and G strings, and then I'm using my ring finger at the 12th fret on the B string, my middle finger on the 12th fret of the D string. D as in dog. And then you got a nice diminished chord there. Try and get that close. Look at how odd my fingers look, how oddly shaped. And all right, so that's the second chord. And then the third chord is just the same as the first. It's the same shape. It's a minor 9 shape. Just played up here now at the 14th fret. Kind of F sharp minor. That's the third chord. The next 2 chords sound like this. So I'm not going to even venture to guess the names of these chords. This is just what I'm hearing when I listen to the recording. So I'm barring the B, the G, and the D at the 13th fret, like that. And then I'm reaching out with my pinky up at the 16th fret of the B string and just playing those 3 strings only. Okay. And then I'm doing sort of a major 9th thing. I've got my middle finger here on the D string at the 14th fret, my index at the G string, on the G string at the 13th fret, and my ring finger is on the B string at the 14th fret. And again, just strumming those 3 strings only. There you go. So first 4 chords. First 5 chords. All right. Correction. Okay, so the last 4 chords of this 8-bar progression, the first 3 are the same as the first 3. But this time we're going to top it off there, kind of a B7 chord. I've got my middle finger on reached out to the A string at the 14th fret. My index is on the 13th fret of the D string. My ring finger is on the G string at the 14th fret, and my pinky is on the high E string at the 14th fret. And then I'm kind of muting the B string. Yeah, the B string gets muted. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any requests or comments, leave them in the boxes below, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.